Hello guys, welcome back. Today we will talk about one of the most important points and aspects of programming and the world of software. Every program should be tested in order to function properly and live up to its expectations. In Python, tests refer to the practice of writing code specifically designed to verify that other code, typically functions or classes, behaves as expected. These tests are commonly known as unit tests and are a fundamental part of the software development process. You have various ways to test your file. For example, for small programs, you can test them using the print function, or use debugging tools to test and find problems in your code. But as you improve your program, it's hard to test all cases and scenarios, especially corner cases. That's why you have to use better test tools like the PyTest library. In order to test your file with PyTest, you have to create a new file and prefix its name with test_something. Import the library and the function for testing. All your functions in the test file should also be prefixed with the word test. Use the assert keyword to help you in the testing process. The main thing to notice is that you should first install the PyTest with the pip function, and then import the functions to your test file and test them. Let's head to VS Code for practical examples. First, install PyTest using this command: pip install PyTest. I have already installed it. I will make two files, division file as well as test division file. Code division.py, code test_division.py. In my main file, I will code a simple program for division. Div main open parenthesis close parenthesis colon x equals to int inside parenthesis input inside parenthesis x colon y equals to int input y colon print divide inside parenthesis x comma y. Now I will implement the divide function. Div divide inside parenthesis num1 comma num2 as parameters. Then return float num1 divided by num2. Last but not least, if name equals to main, then go ahead and call main. Now I will run this file, python division.py. It prompts me for x. I will type 4, and for y, I will type 2. It outputs 2.0. Now I will code the test file. Import PyTest. From division, import divide. Define main colon. Now I will call all my test functions in this main function. Test underscore positive, test underscore negative, test underscore 0, and test underscore str. Now I will test my divide function in these cases. Define test underscore positive, assert divide inside parentheses 4, 5. 4 is our function's first parameter and 5 is our function's second parameter. Equals 0.8, and then assert divide 10, 5 equals to 2. Define test underscore negative colon assert divide negative 4, 5 equals to negative 0.8. Assert divide 10, negative 5 equals to negative 2. Define test underscore 0 colon with pytest dot raises inside parentheses 0 division error colon divide 4, 0. Then def test underscore str colon with pytest dot raises inside parentheses type error colon divide a 3. Note that first I imported my function and the pytest library, then I defined a main function and called my test functions. I am testing 4 cases for my main file: division of positive numbers, division of negative numbers, division of numbers by 0, and last but not least, invalid input cases. The assert keyword checks the result of a function and compares it to a value. It is mostly used in testing scenarios to verify that certain conditions hold true. With pytest.raises ... is used like a conditional. It is used to assert that a specific exception is raised within a block of code. Now, in order to run your file, you have to use the pytest keyword in the terminal. Pytest division underscore test.py. You can see it passes all the tests and shows us the program is working as we expect. If I change the assertion value to something else, like in test underscore positive function, I will change the 0.8 to 1.8. Now if I run the pytest again, you can see it says 1 failed, 3 passed, and shows me the test time as well as the function that failed. In this case, it says test underscore positive. Testing your programs is highly useful for bigger programs, and things like the assert keyword and libraries like pytest can help you in the testing process. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something new. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a nice time.